Over here, you can see that I have a design file. And if you want to communicate out with other people and leave some comment, you can go around over here, click on add comment. So what you can do with comment is that you can click on a particular place and then you can leave a message, something like, hey, make some change over here to make it interesting, just like this. And you can tag the other person. So you can press @ on your keyboard and then you can tag the other person right here who you want to assign this task to. This is especially helpful if there are multiple users and multiple collaborators working on the same file. So once you click on post, what happens is that the other user will get a notification right here, as you can see. So you can go around over here. So this is the comment and you know that there's a comment right here. And I got a comment called, hey, make some changes over here. So you can go around over here and you can leave a reply. So you can say something like, okay, right here. And you can reply. The other user now will be able to work around with this file. So they can go around and then change the color maybe and so forth. And then go to comment over here again to address the comment. So once that is done on the main user side, you can see that there's the reply right here, there's okay and so forth. So you can go around over here and you can copy the link, edit out the comment right here if you wish as well. And you can go around, delete the thread or mark this out as resolved. So once you do this, the comment is there no more. The comment is resolved out. So now the other user will be notified about that as well. And that is how you can tag other people in comment to make it easier to collaborate among one another. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.